Are you down to see if your girlfriend is on any dating apps right now?
I'm not.
Yeah.
Though.
What are you hiding?
I'm not.
Are you hiding something?
We don't gotta do this right here right now.
No, let's do it. Let's do
Let's
it.
see what's up.
I trust you, but let's do it. If I'm supposed to,
You go first then.
well, if I'm supposed to trust you, then why are you acting like this?
Acting like.
Alright, yeah, it'll take like a sec. Yeah, so we're just gonna be using Cheater Buster AI, and it's basically gonna use AI to tell us if she's on any dating apps. But I'm gonna need a little bit of information about you first, though. So, like, what's your name?
I'm not on no dating apps.
Her name? Kayla.
How old is she?
20.
Where's she from?
She's from Tom's River.
I just gotta get a picture of you, just so the AI can detect. Alright, it's loading right now, though. Like, you nervous at all? Like,
I ain't nervous.
actually, hold up. So the results actually just came back, and the facial recognition scan through the dating apps. This just came up. Is this her Tinder account? Is this you?
You know what he's doing.
Yeah.
This isn't me.
Yeah, that's her, all right.
me, though.
No, that is you.
That's
her,
not
though?
me, I'm
Like,
telling you.
It is her.
He knows what he's doing.
Oh, no, this says you were active 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, 2 weeks ago? Are you kidding me?
No, we've been dating for a year, Matt.
Take her phone! Take her phone!
Pick up the
Take
phone.
her phone! You know where the f you at?
What the fuck? Why are you on Tinder?
I ain't.
It's a dating app.
I don't
know what Tinder
I don't even
is.
got Apple.
You are at the Go shark shit! If she don't want to see your worth,
You know what?
Game.
No, I don't need you. Go,
Yeah,
you
I
get
don't
on.
need you. I don't need you either. Take your phone and go find someone else.
Would you marry me? No. Wow, they are celebrating that she said no.
He told me he wouldn't marry me until I got a lie detector test done because he
that's quite the proposal. If you're not a stinking lying whore, I'll marry you.
How am I supposed to spend the rest of my life with you if I can't trust you? You take off on me. You don't answer your phone. You take the kids with you.
Yeah, but I have the kids with me. What makes you think I'm gonna do that to you? I love you.
You leave me at home with my thoughts. What do you expect? I come up
Trust me.
I come up with all these crazy things because you don't communicate with me.
That's
How is
why
that
we're
all
here.
my fault?
That's why we're here today, so I can prove my innocence because I can't do it anymore after this.
What's going on, bro? I'm out. I'm not paying for that, bro. And I'm not hanging up the picture. I'm out, bro. I don't know what type of time you on, bro. You finesse me, try to get me to come here. Why are we even here? This is crazy. Like, what are we even doing here?
My bad. I'm trying to, like...
You told me that we
trying
was
to
just
listen
hanging
to
up
these
pictures.
people.
I know, but you told us that we just...
I'm sorry.
You wanted me to hang your pictures, so that's all you said you wanted me to do? Like, why are we even here? You always got extra ass
Thank
stops. You got extra ass stops, bro.
Okay, so... I'm doing well. I actually need more than an oil change.
What?
I don't know if y'all do, like... Well, I mean, if you can see, like, my car kind of needs a little bit of help. So if you can, like, flush the transmission, and then I think I need all my fluids
look.
topped off.
Who's paying for all of that?
We'll check all that.
So who paying for all of that?
You're paying for it.
Hold on, hey, bro. Before y'all even do all of that, I don't even know why she even pulled up in here because I'm just supposed to be hanging up some pictures, and I don't know what she got going. You tell Buddy that because she wants me to pay for this, and I'm not paying for this,
You're
bro. I'm just supposed to
paying for this. Like, don't fucking do this to me. Like, that's hella embarrassing for real.
Okay, well, I'm not trying to embarrass you, but I'm telling you that this is not gonna go the way you think it's gonna go.
No, seriously.
Hey, bro, go ahead and put the hood down. I'm about to go ahead and go because you trying to finesse me, bro, and I'm about to get up out of here, bro.
Okay.
I will call an Uber. I'm getting the fuck up out of here, bro. Like, what are you on? Hey, bro, you go ahead and let the top down because she ain't got no money to even pay for this, and I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here. No, I'm not. It's not no wait. What are we waiting for? You told me to hang up a picture, and then you in here getting transmission flush and all kind of bullshit, bro. I don't have time for that, bro. You trying to finesse me? I'm out, bro. Hey, I don't know. I don't know what you got going on, bro. I'm out. I'm not paying for that, bro. And I'm not hanging up the picture. I'm out, bro. I don't know what type of time you on, bro. You finesse me, try to get me to come here. Okay, but you finesse me, bro. You told me that we was going to hang up a picture, and then you come here talking about transmission and all this other stuff. Hey, you're finessing. That's that Casey shit, huh? That's Casey shit, right? Okay, yeah. Yep. You're not gonna get me like that.
Alright, guys. You made it this far.
Nope.
You already know what's going on out there. A lot of guys aren't losing in dating because they lack value. They are losing because they tolerate nonsense like this. The moment you reward behavior like manipulation and hidden expectations, you set the tone that you can be used. And once that happens, it doesn't stop. It escalates. This guy did what most men are too afraid to do. He removed himself from the bad deal instantly. No over-explaining, no arguing, no trying to fix her, just action. If you don't stand on your boundaries, nobody will respect you. Simple. So guys, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and never let anyone play you.
Why the fuck is you sending your 1-month-old baby to daycare and you not doing shit at all, bro? You're not cleaning up, you're not doing shit. That's not cool to send a motherfucking baby to daycare, like, just for no fucking reason. You can take care of your own motherfucking baby, bro. For no fucking reason. You don't even got no job. You don't got shit going on, bro. Look at this house, this shit all over the place. You can at least fucking clean up. And you think we finna fucking go together and stay together? No, not at all, bro. I don't. It don't fucking matter. I'm doing something productive. Fuck is you talking about, bro? You wanted to have kids so bad, so deal with the shit. Deal with the shit.
We or you
the fuck? You did.
But we both got kids though. So
sending them kids to school so you can get comfortable and watch Stranger Things. You weird as hell. Fuck is you talking about? So damn weird, bro.
I sent the kids to school so I don't have to be disturbed. Because I sent my 1-month-old to school, I'm wrong.
Yeah, you wrong as fuck when you can stay at home with them. Fuck is you talking about? Like, your choice though. Your choice.
The voice is beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you.
I told myself I was gonna pop a smile from Atlanta, but then I heard your voice, so.
Oh my God, everybody's so against Atlanta.
Is he someone that's your type?
You're handsome. Like, you look nice. I mean, you have beautiful eyes.
You have a relationship with God?
Yeah, so I grew up Christian. I actually used to sing in the choir when I was in middle school and high school. I'm assuming you do. You asked the question.
Yeah,
what does your relationship look like with him?
I pray every day. I read the Bible. It's pretty strong right now.
So, but I like that you do have that relationship and you're strong because then we can help each other.
It's true. You do want kids?
I do want kids. My preference is somebody that doesn't have them.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
She asked me if I was if I was your type, and you were like you were thinking about it. I mean,
I said yes. Did I not? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you good?
Let's see that's again.
No, because with the questions.
Oh, that hesitation again. And she was almost there. Oh, that's why she missed her chance to get a match.